Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign papers in PDF. It's a common task in our digital world, and thankfully, it's much simpler than you might think. You can easily add your signature to any PDF document without needing to print, sign by hand, and then scan it back in. This saves a lot of time and makes your workflow incredibly efficient, whether for personal use or professional documents. Let's dive into the straightforward process. There are several convenient ways to create your digital signature. Many PDF readers, like the popular Adobe Acrobat reader, have built-in tools for this. You can simply type your name, and it will convert it into a stylish font. Alternatively, you can use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature directly onto the screen. For a more authentic look, you might even upload a scanned image of your handwritten signature. These methods offer flexibility and ease of use. Signing a PDF is a straightforward process, typically involving just 4 simple steps. First, open your document using a compatible PDF viewer on your computer or device. Next, locate the Fill and Sign or Sign tool within the application's menu. Once activated, you can then place your chosen digital signature onto the specific line or area where it's needed. Finally, and very importantly, save the document to ensure your signature is permanently embedded. It's that easy. To ensure your signed documents are always professional and secure, here are a few best practices. Always make sure your digital signature is clear and easy to read. After signing, it's a good habit to save a separate copy of the document, perhaps with signed in the file name. Also, take a moment to verify the document's integrity to confirm no changes occurred after your signature was applied. For highly sensitive papers, consider using more secure, verified electronic signature services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.